Hi, this is Bonnie Bird for Ignite Quantum Healing, and I'm going to do a light language healing, and it's a blessing for the birds and nature and being connecting to our higher self in a beautiful rainbow of energy. And if you choose to participate, just like get in a relaxed position and take a deep breath. And just breathe steadily through the light language as it begins. To orapakayani atara atara ukukori ataya. Isiri atata yamotro turopakaya. Isiri atri yami atri itra kyani atra shatapakaya. Itiami atata otuto opoko yamayata. Isari atra itri ikiri ipike ana. Isimi itri shitapako pakobiana. Isari amiatra arapakaya. Isiri amiatra itri shoko miatra atra pakoya. Iti amiatra atra ashita amia. Isi atra atra pakore amiatra. Take a deep breath. Release all energies that no longer serves you. To ori aniatra asharariatra okobi haidiatra ashamiata. Itiri amiatra amore pikaya nayatra pakaya. Bring in the beautiful energy of the sun through the crown. To urbianiatra ikimiatra yamiatra. Ikianata yamiatra atra atra yamiata. Feel the energy from the earth come up through your feet. To urbikayaniatra ikimiatra atra. Uturi miatra ishtiki imi itri upukumiata. And let that energy come out through your heart. To urimiatra atra atra. Uturu miatra atra pikamiatra. Sending love out to the masses. To oramianiatra, ikimianamiatra, ishimiatra atra kayamayatra atra, urianianiata. May you feel the peace within your heart. May you release all resistance. May you feel the highest frequency of love. May you always be within the light. May you always know that the light is all around you. To orbianiatra ishiamiatra ikiniatra atra atra orbiata isisianiatra ariamiatra ikariatra orimiata. Take a deep breath. Breathe in God's love. Feel yourself relax. Every system, every cell. Moving out to the light. Feeling yourself at peace. To urumiana yatara, iani oto omkomiatra. Giving thanks, giving grace, being grateful for who we are and where we are in this now moment. From my heart to yours, namaste.